Today we are going to prove the result shown on the screen, that the integral between alpha and minus alpha of 1 upon b to the x plus 1 dx is equal to alpha. And we are going to do this using the King's property of integrals. And so by the King's property, the integral of x is the same as the integral of alpha plus alpha minus x, which is the integral of minus x. And so if you look at the expression in the bottom left-hand corner, so to speak, you find that the integral is equal to the integral between alpha and minus alpha of 1 upon b to the minus x plus 1. And if we multiply top and bottom of that expression by b to the x, we find that the integral is the same as the integral between alpha and minus alpha of b to the x upon 1 plus bx dx. And so if we add those two expressions together, we find that twice our integral is the integral between alpha and minus alpha of 1 upon b to the x plus 1 plus alpha, the integral between alpha and minus alpha of b to the x over 1 plus b to the x dx. And we will see that that is the same as the integral of between alpha and minus alpha of 1 plus b to the x over b to the x plus 1, which is the same as the integral between the two limits of 1 dx, and that is twice our integral. And so that twice our integral is, as I said before, the integral of 1 between alpha and minus alpha, which is x taken between the limits of alpha and minus alpha, which is alpha take y minus alpha, which is 2 alpha. And so twice our integral is 2 alpha, and therefore once our integral is 1 alpha. And now I think we've earned a cup of coffee.